So a few weeks ago, my flight to Albania got delayed by 5 hours, and I decided I would like to try and build and deploy an application before my flight takes off. In order to do that, I needed to define a couple of things. So first things first, I needed to decide what I was going to build. And what I decided to build was this. Wait a second, I'll show you. So I have this live calendar. Okay, that just happened. So I have this live calendar over here. Wait a second, but we can see this properly. Yeah, that seems a bit better. So I have this live calendar right here, which I mark whenever I do or don't do something. So if I have a bad habit that I want to stop doing, or if there's a good habit that I want to cultivate when I do it on 1st of January, I mark it right here. All right, let's go back. This live calendar looks simple enough, but I knew that I had to pick technologies that I was comfortable with using, something that I could quickly build. And based on how that live calendar looks like, I thought that I could build this in 5 hours without any problem. So I decided to go with these 4 technologies. The first one is React and Design, third one Netlify, and fourth one TypeScript. I could have gone with JavaScript, but I like to write TypeScript way more than I like to write JavaScript right now. So let's go ahead and see how I actually built it. And keep in mind, code quality was on the lowest priority. I just needed to get something done in the shortest amount of time possible.
So the very first thing I did was to install React with TypeScript, and you can find the command to that in the description down below. And right after that, I needed to create the actual HTML structure, which is just basically the squares and some text above. And yeah, kind of before doing that, I just needed to clear up the example code a little bit. So I did that, and I put all the code and the logic for it. The logic was a bit trickier because I was using local storage for the logic, but that was fine. That was the quickest thing that I could do without having to use external databases. And basically, after coming up with that structure and having a way to save whenever somebody pressed on a square, I was pretty much done with the app, and I just had to upload it to Netlify, which you can upload a file to, and you're done with it. And just like that, the website was online. It is not mobile friendly, it's like mobile acquaintance, but it works.
And that was it. That's how I built and deployed a website in 4 to 5 hours. And the most important thing here that I learned was to pick the correct tech stack. And you need to pick the tech stack that you're already familiar with if you want to get something done really quickly. If you guys have any questions about any of the things that I did, or if you'd like to get the code, just comment down below. Make sure you like the video if you like this new format with a little bit more fun in it. And yeah, just let me know if you need some help with it. But apart from that, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.